Dear children, I am Sujit here in front of you all with the polynomial. I made two videos before this, but I'll try to make something informative. So I recommend you all to start with this video and we'll finalize with the series. Chapter 2, Class 9, Polynomial, Maths, Polynomial. So the very first is introduction. When we are going to introduce, we'll try to describe that topic in each and every context, and first we'll introduce and then we'll tell you what the questions to be done on this basis. So when we are introducing the polynomial, we need to understand what is the polynomial. So polynomial is a part of algebraic expression. Now what's the algebraic expression is? What the algebraic expression is? Algebraic expression, it's simply, if I say you, there is an involvement of constant and variable. Constant and variable. Constant are the real numbers and the variables A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H symbols are being used. So here, when we are going to introduce this polynomial, here it is specified in class 9, we must deal with polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. So it's very, very important. Polynomial in one variable. So let us begin with some example. Suppose we have 3x. We have x square plus 2x plus 3. We have x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 5. So dear children, it is written in front of you. What it is written? Linear polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable means polynomial. These all are algebraic, part of algebraic expression. As I said you, this is constant, this is variable, this is variable, 2 is constant, 3 is constant. So you need to understand very first thing, this is something about the polynomial, and a very important tips which is very, very important to know you all, how to recognize the polynomial. Polynomial को कैसे पहचानेंगे हम कि ये दिया हुआ चीज़, ये जो दिया हुआ algebraic expression है, ये polynomial है कि नहीं है. तो उसके लिए सबसे बेसिक जो है, जो टिप्स हैं वो ये है कि सिंपली आपको ये देखना है कि वेरिएबल का डिग्री क्या है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज वेरिएबल का डिग्री क्या है वो आपको देखना है. वेरिएबल का डिग्री देखना है तो क्या होना चाहिए वेरिएबल का डिग्री? सो इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली टू रिकॉग्नाइज द पॉलिनोमियल, द डिग्री ऑफ वेरिएबल शुड बी इन अ होल नंबर. Whole number means either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am just giving you example. Suppose here we have, if I am writing here 5 upon x. Do you feel is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial because it could be written 5x to the power minus 1, and minus 1 doesn't belong to the family of whole number. It is an integer. So let me speak you very clearly. If the question will be asked, yes, you all will do the questions from first exercise in polynomial, polynomial in one variable, which is polynomial in one variable or not. So what is important things to be recognized? The important is we'll see the degree of variable and it must be in whole numbers. ये बहुत जरूरी बात है. polynomial, ये polynomial है, ये polynomial है, ये polynomial है. अब दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है इसमें जो आपको समझना है पॉलिनोमियल के बारे में, और उस टर्मिनोलॉजी को समझना है कि पॉलिनोमियल को हम किस बेस पे क्लासिफाई करते हैं. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल्स को हम कैसे, क्या क्या है, कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जो पॉलिनोमियल में समझना है. तो उसमें समझना है हमको कि पॉलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल इज क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टर्म्स, on the basis of terms, और दूसरा है on the basis of degree. On the basis of degree. On the basis of degree. On the basis of terms, सपोज करो अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. आई एम गिविंग यू फ्यू एग्जांपल. सपोज करो वन टर्म है, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इफ ओनली वी हैव वन टर्म, इफ वी हैव टू टर्म्स, if we have three terms, and so on, it will be going ahead. So 1 2 3, and here if we talk about degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. ठीक है, तो वन टर्म है, टू टर्म है, थ्री टर्म है. टू टर्म वाले को हम बोलते हैं क्या? बाई. थ्री टर्म्स वाले को बोलते हैं ट्राइनोमियल. टू टर्म्स वाले को बोलते हैं बाइनोमियल. और वन टर्म्स वाले को बोलते हैं, ये होता है मोनोमियल. ये होता है बाइनोमियल. और थ्री वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? ट्राइनोमियल. एंड सो ऑन. यहाँ डिग्री की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो डिग्री में इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट विल हेल्प यू टू नो. तो यहाँ पे टर्म्स एंड व्हाट्स द टर्म्स इज बीइंग डिसाइडेड. डियर चिल्ड्रन, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो प्लीज बी अटेंटिव and try to concentrate what it is said. Hopefully you'll have a very clear cut understanding you have. Suppose, let me first clear degree 1. It means linear polynomial. Degree 1 linear polynomial. Degree 2 quadratic polynomial. Degree 3 cubic polynomial. Degree 4, this is called biquadratic polynomial. ये एक बात हो गई. अब हम यहाँ पे कुछ पॉलिनोमियल्स लिखते हैं और आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू एग्जांपल्स सो दैट इट विल हेल्प यू टू डू द क्वेश्चंस फॉर वेरी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. तो पहला हम लिखते हैं यहाँ पे, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग फ्यू पॉलिनोमियल्स. x square plus 5x plus 3. Which type of polynomial this is? The highest degree it has a 2. So this is called quadratic polynomial. Then how many terms this polynomial has? 1 2 3. So this plus and minus everywhere it is given. This will help you to recognize the terms of the polynomial and what else about this polynomial. Now the one word that is called coefficient. Coefficient is nothing else. The coefficient is the multiple of variables. Here what is the coefficient of x square? 1. What is the coefficient of x? It is 5. And what about 3? This is called constant polynomials. I am taking one more example. Suppose I am just writing here minus x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 6. How many terms this polynomial has? It has 1 2 3 4. What is the coefficient of x cube? Minus 1. What is the coefficient of x square? It is 5. What is the coefficient of x? It is minus 7. And the 6 is the constant polynomial. And which type of polynomial this is? This is a cubic polynomial. So this is all about which will help you to do the first exercise. And we'll discuss first exercise and then we'll go ahead. बंद करो.